Hi, I'm Sharon Callen. I'm a literacy leader, a consultant, and a teacher with over 40 years' experience in the field, and most importantly to me, on the ground. Most days you'll find me in classrooms, in schools, working with coaches, with teachers, and with students. During this series of workshops, I'm just so excited to have been able to have the opportunity to put together a range of what I'll call some coach bites, where I'm really going to bring you some specific resources and tools, strategies, tips, techniques that we can explore and learn how to use, to reflect on, and to think about how we grow and how we're learning as coaches.